Paano nga natin maiwasan ang malnutrisyon? At ano nga ba ang mga palatandaan para matukoy na malnourished ang isang tao o isang bata? Sasagutin niya ng ating kasama ngayong umaga ang nagbabalik natin kaibigan si Dr. Joseph Lee, isang urologist, medical consultant at brand ambassador ng Genesis Organic Spirulina. Magandang umaga, Doc. Welcome back.
Yes, magandang umaga, Tony Pet, and welcome sa show ninyo.
Oo naman. Lagi kang welcome dito, Doc. Kaya alam mo namang your family. Ha? At maraming salamat sa pagising ng maaga. Mas maaga to. Okay. So, Doc, pag sinabi natin malnutrition or malnutrition, ano po ba talaga itong sakop o sinasakupan nitong sitwasyon na ito, ng health condition na ito ng mga tao?
Actually, Tony, pag pinag-usapan nating malnutrition, we go for the definition first. When you talk about malnutrition, it's lack of nutrition. When you talk about nutrition, it entails the macronutrients, which is the carbohydrates, protein, and fat, and the micronutrients, which are the minerals, the vitamins, and the essentials. When you talk about essentials, they might be minerals, but they cannot be taken in by food. So hindi lahat nakukuha sa pagkain natin. Now, this is because of the lacking of this substance, it diminish your physical growth and development, your mental and your metabolic process. So ibig sabihin, pag nagkaroon ka ng malnutrition, maaring yung proseso mo sa katawan, paglaki mo, yung mga function mo ay magkakaroon ng depletion or deficiency.
And then, paano natin po mapipinpoint sa isang tao ang malnutrition? Kapag sinabi natin, you mentioned ito nga, yung lack thereof, di ba, ng nutrients, ng vitamins, ng mga essentials, di ba? Pero, like, sa physicality, can you readily pinpoint kung yung taong ito ay malnourished?
Actually, meron tayong mabasihan, no, by yung mga growth and development natin sa mga sa individual, lalo na sa bata. Now, meron din tayong mga klasifikasyon ng malnutrition. You have your underweight, even overweight is part of malnutrition now, right? Diba?
Okay.
Your underweight may be protein deficiency, diba? Okay. Yung marasmus, yung kwashiorkor, or even the total, yung ibig sabihin yung total deficiency of nutrients can cause malnutrition. So, kailangan babasehan natin, Tony Pet, sa ano ba ang laki ng isang individual? Tama ba ang kanyang growth measurement and development? This is not only physically but also mentally. Meron tayong mga standard algorithm and protocols. No? So pag hindi siya umaabot yan, maaring standard ng growth, maaring kulang, and probably this is caused by malnutrition or insufficient food intake.
Dok, sino ang madalas nakakakitaan ng malnutrition? Ang mga kabataan pa o ang mga adult?
When you talk about underweight, it's more of children and growing mga adolescents, diba? So, lagi nating sinasabi, Tony Pet, maaring yung nakahapag sa atin na pagkain ay tama, pero hindi siya tama in measurement and yung tamang requirements sa ating katawan and development and growth. So, that's not enough just to eat food that is placed in the table na sinasabi nating tama kasi maaring mali. So, that's number one. Then, yung sinasabi mong yung age, it's more of children because children we tend to sometimes ignore the fact na nutrition and lifestyles are very important. Misa kasi pinapayagan natin ang mga bata because of yung fad na gusto nila. Diba? Ayaw nating umiyak sila, magalit sila. Di ba? Minsan nagtatantrums, tapos bibigyan natin ng mga ano-ano, which probably hindi nating alam, through the years, becomes something that is not really good for their growth and development.
Yeah. And it's worth noting na, na good to know actually na ang malnutrition ay hindi lamang na nagmamanifest or makikita, halimbawa, sa mga underweight nga na sinabi nyo.
Yes.
Pati pala overweight.
Yes, kasi ano na kasi yun parang sinosobra mo naman yung sarili mo, and it's not
so that's
good.
considered malnutrition.
It's not good already. The effect of it, it's in long term mo naman, it escalate not only from the child, the adolescents, even the adults and the aging population. 'Di ba? So nangyayari kasi parang yung malnutrition na ginagawa, yung nangyayari sa iyo is like hindi mo na nako-correct yung dapat na corrected sa mo, sa age mo, tsaka sa development mo. So yun na nakakaroon tayo ng problema.
Tanong po ng kababayan natin, mga kababayan, paano raw ba maagapan ng malnutrition? Ano raw po ba ang pwedeng gawin para ito'y maagapan?
So when you are in the young adolescent stage, you correct. So you have to add what is missing.
And when you say correct, sir, how do you do that?
So, ibig sabihin, proper food, proper nutrition, di ba? Now, if you are fan of supplement, you can take supplements that are initially good for the growth and development. This is for the child and adolescents.
Yes.
Now, when on the other side of the wing naman, yung adults and the aging population, you have to correct the other side of malnutrition, which yung overweight. Kasi these are the ones would have problems, Tony Pet, with yung metabolic problems. Diabetes, hypertension, yung mga, yung other problems natin ng hyperuricemia. Di ba yun ang, yun ang laging nasasabi.
Adults,
so this is part and partial of what you take in. And if you are overweight, no? And you classified on that, that will aggravate things in the long run.
Lumalabas din kasi you are what you eat. Di ba?
Exactly, exactly.
Diba? Kung pinapasok mo sa iyong katawan, yun mag-manifest yun. And then, ito po, naririnig natin, spirulina.
Yes.
Lately, may resurgence itong spirulina sa world stage, health forum, mga health forum na nakikita natin, itong spirulina. Ano po ba itong Genesis Organics na spirulina? At ano po ba ang content nito na pwedeng makatulong sa malnutrition?
Yes.
Kasi marami po maganda pong reviews ng spirulina.
Yes. Tama ka dyan, Tony Pet. Actually, pag iisipin mo, even way far, yung Egyptian period, yung mga Babylons, mga pharaohs natin, they have been taking spirulina. Even our cosmonauts, yung mga pumupunta sa space, they have been taking spirulina. Ano ba ang meron ng spirulina? It's a blue-green algae. But they are high...
Ito usually nakikita, itong blue-green algae nito.
You can see it in the ponds and in the lakes. Sabi mo, ay nakakatakot, baga algae. But these are nutritious. Nutritious in the sense that, number one, yung content is high in protein.
Okay.
Remember, it's high in protein, Tony. Pag meron malnutrition ng bata, yung protein deficiency, di ba, sinasabi natin, it will correct it. That's why we have spirulina in powder forms, no?
Yeah.
Kung hindi kaya ng tablet, your children or your child can be tolerable by powder form. You can add it in the milk and whatever they take in, no?
Yes.
So, yan ang ano natin. Then, other ingredients that are not seen in some of our food, yung nakikita natin, alam natin, pag kumakain ka na maayos, minsan kulang pa rin. You have to understand and you have to believe in that. Okay, so ano mga meron dyan? Meron siyang phytochemicals,
Ang spirulina.
Yes.
Phytochemicals.
Yes, phytochemicals, phytosteroids, and flavonoids, which are good for the GI, for the blood. Theobromide, if you cannot sleep, it's very good for the children and the adults kasi hindi makakatulog.
Ang tsokolate may theobromide. So ito rin po, spirulina meron.
Yes. Then you have your anthocyanins, which are very, very good for antioxidants for our cancer and to prevent and to increase and boost our immune system. Lalo na ngayon, Tony, we really need to boost our immune system in all age levels. I'm talking about all age, hindi yung pediatric age group, yung adult group na kagaya natin, even the aging age groups.
Geriatric.
Because hindi natin alam yung environment natin, di ba? The virus, the bacteria are really over above us. Over above us, di ba? So, kailangan malakas ang immune system mo para yung wellness mo or yung lifestyle mo magdire-diretso with regards to nutrition.
Safe po ba itong inuin ng kahit sino po?
Oo,
Any
pwede
age
naman. No? Even breastfeeding mothers can have, no?
Children.
Yung mga yung powder form natin. No, you take it that's 2 tablets. Some would take it as 4 tablets because.
Hello po mga Kanet 25! Si Kuya Tony Pet po ito mula sa Love, Tony Pet and Everything. For more Love, Tony Pet and Everything updates, just click on our subscribe button and follow us on our Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook. Magkita-kita po tayo!